Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble hair curler to achieve beautiful, bouncy curls. First, ensure your hair is completely dry. Then, apply a quality heat protectant spray evenly to shield your strands from heat damage. Next, divide your hair into several manageable sections, securing them with clips. Finally, preheat your bubble wand to a suitable temperature, typically between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on your hair's thickness. Now for the fun part, curling. Take a small 1-inch section of hair. For tighter spirals, wrap your hair in between the bubbles. For a looser, wavier look, wrap it over the bubbles. Always wrap the hair away from your face, starting near the root and working your way down to the ends, leaving about 1 inch uncurled for a natural finish. To ensure your curls last, hold each section on the heated wand for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. The exact time depends on your hair type and desired curl intensity. Once heated, gently slide the curl off the wand without pulling. It's crucial to let each curl cool down completely before you touch or style it. This cooling process helps to set the curl's shape and maximize its longevity. After all your curls have cooled, gently shake them out with your fingers to loosen them and create a more natural, voluminous look. For added hold and a beautiful shine, finish with a light mist of hairspray. To preserve the curl definition, avoid brushing your hair. If you need to detangle or soften the look, use a wide-tooth comb very sparingly. Enjoy your gorgeous, long-lasting bubble wand curls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.